Managing a growing business means coordinating many moving parts, from accounting and HR to inventory, CRM, and operations. Often, companies rely on a patchwork of disconnected tools that create data silos, slow workflows, and make scaling unnecessarily difficult. Striven addresses this challenge by offering an all in one business management solution designed to centralize your operations on a single integrated platform. Striven combines the tools most businesses need: project management, accounting, CRM, HR, inventory, and more into a cloud based system that's easy to use and fully customizable. So, whether you're running a small business or a mid sized enterprise, Striven helps improve productivity, communication, and decision making by eliminating fragmentation and making everything accessible in one place. In this video, we'll walk you through Striven's most important features, show how each supports your business processes, and explain why Striven remains one of the top all in one management platforms today. So for its key features, first is the integrated CRM. Striven offers a built-in CRM that allows your sales and support teams to track leads, manage customer interactions, automate follow-ups, and close deals more efficiently. All customer data, emails, codes, tasks, and tickets are stored and updated in real time. This ensures a complete view of each customer without switching between tools. It also improves sales performance, enhances customer experience, and reduces lost opportunities caused by poor communication or disjointed tracking. Another key feature is the project and task management. Striven includes a robust project management suite with task boards, timelines, Gantt charts, and resource planning. You can assign tasks, monitor deadlines, track billable hours, and share documents all within a single workspace. This brings better visibility to your team's workload, encourages collaboration, and ensures that projects stay on time and within budget. It's especially helpful for service based businesses and project driven teams. Another key feature is the accounting and financial tools. From invoicing and budgeting to general ledger and payroll, Striven provides full featured accounting tools that are tightly integrated with your operations. You can automate recurring invoices, track expenses, run financial reports, and stay on top of cash flow. By having accounting fully embedded in the platform, you avoid manual entry errors, eliminate the need for third party tools, and gain real time financial insight that aligns directly with your day to day business activities. Another key feature is the inventory and order management. Striven lets you manage your product catalog, track stock levels, process purchase orders, and generate packing slips all from one system. It supports multi location inventory, reorder alerts, and vendor tracking. This helps you maintain optimal stock levels, reduce waste, and fulfill customer orders faster and more accurately. It's a strong feature for businesses in retail, distribution, or manufacturing. Another key feature is the human resource and employee management. Striven includes HR tools for tracking employee records, managing PTO, handling onboarding, and evaluating performance. It also features a self-service portal where employees can view their schedules, submit time off requests, and access important documents. These tools reduce HR administrative workload and give your team a more transparent, connected experience. You improve engagement while keeping records accurate and centralized. So, why is Striven a great choice? Striven, or what makes Striven stand out, is its holistic approach. Rather than force you to integrate multiple platforms, Striven brings everything together in one unified system without sacrificing depth or functionality. It's built for flexibility, meaning it works just as well for manufacturers, service businesses, or professional firms. In 2025, Striven continues to evolve with features like customizable dashboards, role-based access control, advanced reporting, and mobile access for remote teams. It also emphasizes ease of use, offering an intuitive interface that doesn't overwhelm first-time users while remaining powerful enough for growing operations. Another major advantage is the platform's built-in automation. Whether it's triggering follow-up emails after a deal is closed, setting task dependencies on project boards, or auto-generating invoices from completed work, Striven helps reduce manual tasks and increase operational efficiency across department. So basically, running a business with disconnected tools is inefficient and error-prone. Striven offers a better way, an all-in-one business management platform that combines the most essential tools into one seamless system. From CRM and project management to accounting, HR, and inventory, Striven simplifies your daily operations while giving your team a clearer picture of the whole business. It's a flexible, modern solution that helps organizations stay agile, aligned, and growth ready. So, if you're searching for a platform to unify your business systems, eliminate complexity, and empower your team with real time insights, Striven is a solid choice to consider in 2025 and beyond. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.